morning, Year 5. Today we are going to be looking at subtracting decimal numbers, and we're going to use the frog jump, which is not a new method for subtraction for you, but it is an important one because it's going to help us ultimately to subtract numbers in our head. That's why we're doing it, not because we want to annoy you by making you draw number lines, okay? It's just getting that thinking, that thought process of how we can subtract two numbers in our head. But we are going to use the frog jump this morning. And I've got a problem for you. I have a sitting room which is 3.2 meters long. I've just bought a sofa which is 1.78 meters. How much room will I have alongside my new sofa? So my problem is asking me to subtract 1.78 from 3.2. And you can see that the number line is already set out here. I've got my larger number on the right hand side, which I'm going to jump to, and I'm going to jump from 1.78. I'm going to find the difference between the two numbers, okay? And I'm going to start with this number here, 1.78, and I'm going to jump to an appropriate number along this number line on the way to 3.2, okay? And I feel confident that I can actually jump to the next whole number, and the next whole number I know is, obviously, 2. I'm going to draw 2 here as neatly as I can. Okay, and I know, using my knowledge of number bonds to 100, that 1.78, if I jump to 2, I have jumped 0.22, or 22 hundredths, okay? And then, depending on how confident I feel I could jump all the way to 3.2, I'm actually going to just break this down a little bit further, and I'm going to just jump 1, 2, 3, which is one whole, obviously, nice and easy. And then obviously my last jump is, again, it's nice and easy. It's 0.2, or 2 tenths. And then I can add my jumps together. 1 add 0.22 add 0.2 is 1.42. Okay? And remember, as I said at the beginning, that is the process, and I don't know about you, but that is the process that I would go through in my head to solve that problem, okay? So that is why we're using the frog jump. That is why we're using our number line, okay?